Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to prepare bakery style bread toast. For that ingredients required are 4 bread pieces, sandwich bread you have to take, and 2 onions chopped lengthwise, 2 tomatoes, 2 carrot finely grated, 2 capsicum and finely chopped coriander. For this, add 1 tablespoon salt or required taste, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon chaat masala, half tablespoon pepper powder and 4 tablespoon oil. Mix these well. I forgot to tell you, add 1 tablespoon vinegar. Mix them well. Now this is ready. Take a bread piece and spread this mixture on the bread. Toast them on a grill. I am doing this in micro oven. Keep these for 3 minutes. Now these are perfectly grilled. Take them in a serving plate. Grate some butter on this. Have a taste of these and let me know in my comment section. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.